Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? Hope so you will be fine. Today we are here for starting an MED pack of level 5 subject art. Here is the question number 1. Question number 1 is make a twist out with the help of book page number 30 and page. So open page number 30 of book. Here we need card, a pencil, a ruler, scissors or knife, crayons. First of all, you can take a piece of a chart like this. First of all, you can draw a line, pointed line A and B like this. Draw a dark line like this on the both sides. Now join it from both sides. Now draw a line that the thick dark lines like this. That don't join each other at the line AB like this. You can draw it very easily. I have done all lines. Now transfer the tracing to card. Cut the extra charts from sides like this. In the next step, cut the card along the thick dark lines like this. Cut all the dark lines like this. Now fold the wings alternately backwards and forwards along the center AB like this. Now move towards the question number 2. Make a paper butterfly or a kite and paste. This is your choice that you can make a butterfly or a kite. Here I can choose a butterfly. Here I take a piece of color paper like this. First of all, we can fold the paper like this, and now we can draw a butterfly like this. You can draw it very easily. Then you cut it with the help of scissors like this one. Here the butterfly is ready. You can paste it with the help of glue like this. Now move towards the question number 3. Make an attractive bookmark and paste here. First of all, we need a piece of color paper in a square form like this. Now you can fold it in a rectangle form and now in a square form. Now fold the first layer in a triangle form like this, and now fold the other 3 layers in a next. And now we can draw an ear. This is your choice that you can make another form. Now cut it with the help of scissors like this. Now we will paste an ear on the bookmark like this. This is your choice that you can make another bookmark that are attractive. Here the bookmark is ready. Now draw her face and eyes like this. Now you can adjust it into a book like this. Now move towards the last question. Question number 4. Make a printed table napkin and attach here. First of all, take a piece of paper like this. Now draw lines in a space. Now draw lines on another form. Now we color it with different colors like this. This is your choice that you can select another color. Color it by skipping one box like this. Here all the colors are done. Our printed table napkin is ready. Thank you so much all of you.